So today I'm going to show you a quick exercise on the hangboard. I call them typewriters. So basically they help you get better lock-off strength and better grip strength. And they're super simple and super easy. Let's get to it. So this is my hangboard, and today we're just going to use the top of this one right here. And then same one over on the right side, we're going to use this one too. Hopefully this video helped you guys and you learned something new. So thank you for subscribing, and I'll see you guys next time.